Hey everyone, and welcome back to Just4fun290. Today we'll be checking out the Imaginext Batwing. This set comes with Batman and the Batwing. First, let's check out this really cool Batwing. It looks like this opens up and there's a place for Batman to sit inside. There's also the power pad, which we can turn it. So if we turn it, the wings open and close. And it looks like the Batman symbol's in there. Pretty cool. And on the bottom, we can pull on this trigger, and that makes the wings open and close also. If we want the wings to go back down, we just pull them down. Let's see how well this launcher can launch. We also have a brand new Batman for our collection.
Stick around if you want to see the Batwing in full action. Now I have to go fight some crime.
The best thing about being an Injustice League recruit is we get to use their robot. Let's destroy this. It's time to cause some destruction. Ugh. The Injustice League recruits are causing destruction. We have to stop them.
Leave it up to me to stop them.
Not even you can stop us, Batman.
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
That's it. Now it's time to get you with an explosive Joker barrel. Ugh. Wait a second. Why didn't that cause any damage?
Because my new Batman is explosive proof and everything proof. I'm warning you to get off.
I'm not going anywhere. I'll save you, my ninja friend. Now it's just you and I, Batman.
But not for long.
That was amazing! Batman just saved Gotham City.
Hey Robin, how do you like my new Batwing?
Wow, that is awesome! But once again, Batman, where do you plan on putting it? We don't have any more room.
We'll have to find a way to make more room, because I have more vehicles coming in soon.
Sounds good to me, just as long as you share everything with me.